Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're tuning in. Thank you for being here. It is right now, it's a rainy day in Georgia, but it ain't gonna stop me from knife hunting. Okay, we are at Joey's Thrift Mall in Columbus, Georgia. Making sure I got my keys in my truck. And we are good to go. We're fitting to go in here and see if they got any knives. I have that exact same knife at home. Good knives in here. There's a Spyderco. Good knives in here. Victoria knife, $6 right there. I can buy that one right there now. $6.
The one right there?
And then the Zippo.
This one?
Uh-huh.
Let's take a look at this one first.
Are y'all firm on prices?
Well, you can always anything under $35. I mean, anything over $35, they can come down on it. But anything under $35, there's no price is firm.
Okay.
Anything under $35, the price is firm. Anything over $35, then you can make a deal on it.
I got you. I'm gonna take it too.
All right, we'll take it.
I didn't know
This
they were
nice little
coming
rough
until
here for the
yesterday.
Oh,
price.
okay.
It just throws me.
All righty, okay.
Not getting this one.
When you remember.
All right, you can put that one back up.
All righty.
2003 maybe. All right, you can put that one up too, though. Nice. 91. Oh. 25. I will take it.
Okay, I'll
That's
put it with this.
a good shaped knife here.
All right.
I can't tell if that's a shred or not. I'm gonna pass on that one. Yeah, it's China made, buddy. I appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Buck 703. It's missing the shield. Missing part of the handle too, right there. 18. This one looks like a case. It is a case. Yeah. How much they want? 18.
They want 18 for this one, and they want 18 for that one.
It's a case knife, but it's not that old. It's from the 80s. It's a 88, but the blades are whittled down really bad. Okay. All right, I'm gonna pass on them, buddy.
All right.
What's this one here, buddy? That little black knife up top right there on the right.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
No.
All right.
Take a look at it.
Yes, sir. Little buck knife. It's a buck 444. But if the blade wasn't so bad, I get it. See how the blade is? It's done, they done whittled it down.
Oh,
so
I see. Okay, is that from sharpening it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. All right, no problem. Okay, cool.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, buddy.
No, ain't no problem.
I
That's what
appreciate
I'm here for.
Okay. I want to see that red one, the Victoria knife.
Okay.
Right there.
Oh yeah, these are really popular.
Mm-hmm.
They can almost fit on a keychain.
Yes, sir. I think this is a mini champ. I think that blade's called an orange peeler. Spring is broke right there. The other wood is in great shape. You don't know if they'd take less for it with that broken.
What's the cost on it? No, not for $15. Yeah, anything over 35 we're allowed to call.
Okay.
But the vendors pretty much don't want to be bothered
I got you.
if something's lower. That's not a bad price for that thing.
It really ain't, but it's got that broke spring.
Yeah.
That's the only thing. Which you might be able to send it into Victorinox and they'd probably repair it and send it
They're a
back
good
to you.
company.
They
You know,
really
you
are.
get the big ones and all that, but I always like these because they can just fit in the pocket pretty well, or you can throw it in a bag somewhere.
Yes, sir. I'll take it. I already got a pile up there,
Okay,
so I'll go ahead and take that.
you got it. I'll have it up there waiting on you.
Okay.
And if you
Yes, sir. I believe that's a Zippo right there I want to look at.
okay, get it up for you here. And this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, pull that out for you.
June of 2003. I'll take it.
Okay, you got it.
I found this one tucked away. See that one right there? It's a winger. They want way too much for it. See right there? They want $45.99 for a winger. That's just way too much for me. It's tucked away and hidden. Then anytime when you're in a thrift mall like this, it's hard to negotiate prices. I still try to look for some deals, which I did get some deals today. Got some good deals on the case knife and some Victorinoxes. I'll be going over everything with you that I find today. Now I think we go to a pawn shop. Okay, we're at Northside Pawn in Phenix City, Alabama. We're gonna go in there and see if they got any knives. A few knives here. Looks like a Victorinox. A Boca Tree brand. Looks like it's in great shape too. Boca USA. I think that one's coming home with me. A Leatherman. I like that one now. Right there. Looks good. USA made. I do want to see the Boca Tree brand right there, the little brown handle and the sog beside it.
Now you're the expert in the knives, so you're gonna have to show me again. This one?
That one and the one to your left.
This one?
No, ma'am, the black one. Yes, ma'am. And then I want to see the red handle one. I think that's a Victorinox right there.
There we go. No cutting fingers are allowed.
Okay. Are y'all are the prices firm or?
It's negotiable. I'll look them up and see how long we had them, see what we got in them.
See what the best you can do on that Victorinox right there.
All right.
And then the same one here.
Okay.
I'm gonna see if this is a USA made one. That's China made. The Leatherman right there. That one right there. $39. See what's the best you can do on that one too.
Okay.
All right. So 35.
35,
25,
25, and 999.
All right, I'll take it.
Okay.
Okay, now we're at Pawn headquarters in Phenix City, Alabama, right across the street from the other pawn shop. So we'll see how this one is. See if we can find any more knife deals. All right, they said they got some knives in here. Might be all China made, but we're gonna see. Kershaw Scallion. Say USA made. There USA.
Yeah, but it is gotta be.
Gerber gut hook. Pretty cool, but it's China made. I'm looking for a saw, USA made, and I cannot find one. No, they make them. They made them. See what y'all can do on there. I'd like to take that sticker off and just make sure there's no broke blades or anything. But what y'all want for them two? Y'all negotiate?
I think I had a bunch of these at one point in time. We were selling them for like, I think $20, I want to say. Kershaw, Kershaw's proud. My folks are proud of Kershaw.
Take 20 for both?
I could do 15 or 25. 15 and 10 flat.
Okay, let's do that. See that guy? Never know the ass. They did not have any knives on display. Asked them they had some knives. They had a couple boxes behind the counter. Got a USA Kershaw Scallion for $10 and a Gerber USA multi-tool, no broken blades, everything works. Needs to be clean for $15. $25. Cash, no tax. Okay guys, here is today's knife haul. I'll be going over everything in another video. It will be out in the morning of December the 4th. I'll be going over every item here. If I go over every item here right now, it'll just be too long of a video, and I don't want to do that to y'all. So thank y'all for tuning in today. I had a ball. I always love going looking for knives and other stuff. So thank y'all for tuning in. I say God bless y'all. Thanks again for all the support. And until we meet again, I'll be like a good knife. Stay sharp.